has more than 230 ongoing projects with Africa. So it's very important for us, and it shows that in terms of cooperation, our ministry has defined its priorities, and its priorities is cooperation with Africa.
Many people have to work together there, and science in itself is not the solution, but without science there will not be the solution, and that's where the prize comes in. And we try to accelerate the scientific community to come up with solutions for the planetary challenges.
To announce this year's award winner in the person of Professor Yaya Chunara from the University of West Witwatersrand.
Hi, I'm Professor Yaya Chunara from the University of the Witwatersrand. I direct the WITS Advanced Drug Delivery Platform. I'm really honored and grateful for being selected for the 2020 Olusegun Obasanjo Prize for the work that we do in advanced drug delivery, nanomedicine and tissue engineering. As a fellow of the African Academy of Sciences, I look forward to advocating for putting African scientists on the global map and also to advocate for science for society. Thank you.